Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that have not subscribed, please and please make sure you please click on the subscribe button. If you've not subscribed, make sure you like, share, and also comment. So let's take a look at gold for the next day. That is for the 9th of February, 2023. So yesterday I did analysis on gold. Those who are following, you must have known, where I went down to the 4-hour time frame, telling you that we will be making a new highs on our gold, whereby I illustrated that this to be a movement up, then a pullback, and again I illustrated this to be a new highs that took out the previous highs, and then a pullback, right? I also made a new movement that I said we are very much likely to have a new highs that will take out this previous highs. It is exactly what price has played out for today. We can see it for the 8th. Price gave us that movement upward, and now we've gotten that drop. So the next day, are we going to make this ice? The possibility of us making a new ice for the night is high. We can actually make, yes, there is no doubt, we can't rule it out. Us making a new ice, there's no doubt we can, make such movement, or price might eventually come down to drop this level to take out these lows. So, I mean, I would say taking this trade right now is a bit risky because one, price on this gold is kind of giving us like an indecision movement. Though we are seeing this price is actually closing, green, right? So basically, is kind of like a pullback, especially when you zoom it out, right? You see that this level here is literally a level where price has been reacting to. So this is why I've highlighted this level. So when you take a look at this gold, you see that gold eventually broke below it, then give us a pullback. There's possibility that gold will actually start dropping or it will start going up. So this is why this gold is actually playing out this way on the 4-hour time frame, whereby this movement is kind of playing out. So there's every possibility that this gold will continue that uptrend move or it will eventually reject. But anyway, we just have to follow the trend on the 4-hour time frame. What the price is saying or what the price is showing us is how we are going to trade. Like they always say, trade what you see and not what you think. So this is one of the reasons why I've created a Patreon channel. I will be put the link in the section below, right? My intention that I created it is to actually put out high probability trade. So far for this week, I've actually put out 4 trade, and 3 of those trade has actually gotten to our targets, which I'm going to create a playlist and I'm going to put a link to that playlist so you can watch it. One of the trade that we took this week was, Euro AUD, that is Euro Australia dollar. We've actually gotten to that our targets. The second trade we took is Australia dollar to our card, which we've actually gotten the targets. So yesterday I did analysis for today, talking about taking a trade on natural gas. So today we've actually gotten the targets. Natural gas have actually hit our target. So the remaining fourth trade is WTI crude oil. So that is what we are kind of watching now. And by the way, if I get more opportunity, when I get a trade that I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade, I will share it to my Patreon, subscribers. So if in case you are interested in such of my trade, you can actually just subscribe with just 20 USD, right? Just a month, you can actually subscribe. So if at the end you are not comfortable, you can cancel your subscription. So if in case you want to continue trading how you want to trade, no problem. But you can actually give my channel a try. Just subscribe with just 20 USD. I'll be able to put out some trade that I believe we have high probability of winning such trade. So just give it a try. I'll put a link in the comment section to my Patreon channel, and I'll also be putting a link to the playlist for trade we've taken this week, so you can actually watch it and to actually serve as a proof, by the way.